Tokyo offers a plethora of budget travel options that cater to frugal adventurers. With affordable accommodations ranging from capsule hotels to guesthouses, travelers can experience the vibrant culture without overspending. Enjoy Tokyo's rich history, stunning attractions, and diverse cuisine while sticking to a budget. Choosing cheap hotels in Tokyo allows travelers to allocate more funds towards unforgettable experiences, delicious street food, and sightseeing. Budget accommodations provide essential comfort without the hefty price tag, making it easier to enjoy the rich culture and attractions that Tokyo has to offer without financial stress. When searching for cheap hotels in Tokyo, consider staying in vibrant neighborhoods like Shinjuku, Ueno, and Asakusa. Shinjuku offers bustling nightlife and convenience. Ueno is known for its cultural attractions, while Asakusa provides a glimpse of traditional Japan, all with affordable accommodation options to suit every budget. Explore a curated list of budget hotels in Tokyo, such as the stylish Capsule Hotel Shinjuku 510 and the welcoming K's House Tokyo. These accommodations offer unique features like shared kitchens, convenient locations, and comfortable amenities, all at competitive prices, ensuring memorable stays for budget-conscious travelers. To secure the best hotel rates in Tokyo, be flexible with your travel dates and book well in advance. Utilize travel apps and websites like Booking.com or Agoda for price comparisons, and consider last-minute deals or early bird discounts to maximize savings while planning your perfect trip. Tokyo offers a wealth of free and low-cost attractions, from exploring serene parks like Ueno and Yoyogi to visiting iconic sites such as the Meiji Shrine and Sensoji Temple. Take advantage of affordable street food and cultural festivals, turning each day into a memorable adventure without overspending. Navigating Tokyo's public transportation is easy and budget-friendly. Purchase a prepaid Suica or Pasmo card for hassle-free travel on trains and buses. Utilize apps like Google Maps or Hyperdia to plan routes efficiently. This allows you to explore popular attractions and reach budget hotels with minimal costs. In conclusion, exploring Tokyo on a budget is entirely possible with the right strategies. By choosing affordable hotels, utilizing public transport, and enjoying low-cost attractions, travelers can create unforgettable memories without overspending. Embrace the vibrant culture and delicious cuisine while staying within your budget.